I came across this issue recently, and here is the solution that worked for me. Step 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're relogged into the account where you want to recover your deleted pins. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your content. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots or the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. This is where you can find account options. Step 4. Check archived content. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Restore your pins. Select the pins you want to recover and tap on the restore button. Make sure to check if the pins are still within the recovery period, as older deletions may not be recoverable. If you don't see the archived option, it might be that your app version doesn't support it yet, so make sure to update TikTok. I hope this helps you get your pins back. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.